Mind of a sergeant, mind of a sergeant.
610 Beats.
Pulled out the chopper, let it do the tongue. Tanya was a pretty baby, always kept it 100. Always dealt with a problem, always chased the money. Try to make her life better, yeah, and they try to stop her. Nobody ever got us, mind of a sergeant. Tanya was a pretty baby, she always kept it 100. Always dealt with a problem, she always chased the money. Her day was snitching, her day was plotting. She pulled out the chopper and let it do the talking. Tanya was always bright and her heart was strong. Then she lost her mama, she was only 10 years old. Her mind was out of shape, she always felt alone. Then when she was 13, her father turned her cold. Growing up in a rough neighborhood, she had to be tough. Black flats and do-rags are the only ones that show her love. Grew up with gangsters, she grew up with thugs. Then at 14, the Glock fit like a glove. She met a girl named Leah, and Leah told her she had her back. Tanya told her that she loved her and told her she really needed that. Leah's brother was a dope boy, had ran off on the plug. They put a hit out on Leah and her brother, and they had to shoot him up. Tanya escaped alive, trying to get her friend some help. But then she realized that she was gone and Tanya was by herself. She ran to her dad and said, "Dad, what do I do?" He passed her the Glock and said, "Nobody bulletproof." She put on a black hoodie, got on the bike and she rolling. Got word from the fools that Kid Leah was out there patrolling. Then Tanya rolled up, they thought she was tripping. She put a clip in, pop, and caught him slipping. After that, she never was the same. Started slanging dope and made a name. Gangsta love, gave her all the fame. Crackhead, she had him trained. Her and Keisha were best friends and they bond was strong. Her and Tanya were making moves like Al Capone. But then one day Tanya called her with her man, and she told them both to come home. When they finally made it to the door, surrounded by 44, Tanya set them up and they gone. Heartbroken and confused, asked if her dues were paid. They told her she was loosely and she gon' play the fool one day. Tanya got high up, she was rich at 18. Paid 20 grand selling the A-Fiend. Tanya left the trap and went to see her dad. She started calling his phone and said, "Dad, where you at?" Somebody else picked up the phone and said that we got your dad. Then she heard the shotgun go off, man, they killed her dad. Tanya went on the road and she heard her crew was talking. She said, "Hurry up, y'all better get them pistols cocking." She got word somebody in her crew was plotting. She pulled out the chopper and let it do the talking. 2 weeks later, Tanya had went out for a drink. Face looked familiar, she said, "Man, I think I know these things." I said, "Tanya, we need a bag." She said, "I got what you like." But in her heart she knew something just wasn't right. They caught her off guard with these questions they were asking. Tanya almost got mad and had to go savage, so she got in her car, but they pulled her ready for action. They pulled out 10 choppers and let Tanya have it. Tanya was a pretty baby, always kept it 100. Always dealt with a problem, always chased the money. Try to make her life better, yeah, and they try to stop her. Nobody ever got us, mind of a sergeant. Tanya was a pretty baby, she always kept it 100. Always dealt with a problem, she always chased the money. Her day was snitching, her day was plotting. She pulled out the chopper and let it do the talking.